So here we go. It's all put together and the miter gauge seems to be working. This is just an old miter gauge that is the one that originally came with my table saw. My bandsaw here is the Milwaukee 6232-20. If you do buy one of these, just be aware they do not come with a blade, so you'll want to grab some blades. I don't know which blades are best. This is my first set of blades. These are the Milwaukee ones that Home Depot carries. So far they've been good. I've used this quite a bit actually already in cutting the steel for my planer stand, my rolling planer stand. There's a video out for that. Or if it's not out yet, it will be soon. It's not a cheap setup. The bandsaw I think is about 300 bucks at Home Depot. And the SWAG Offroad table I think was 125, but I think that was shipped, 125 shipped. Don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. Could I have made something somewhat similar to this on my own for less? Maybe, but I'm not good at metalworking yet. And I like the setup that they have come up with here. I think it's cool to support a small maker business, so I'm pretty happy with it. With the red knob that I put in, that I use to tighten up the saw, you can fairly easily remove the saw by loosening that and just slide it out. So you can probably expect to see a little more metalworking incorporated into some of my projects. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I've just slowly been getting the equipment to do it. You will probably see this make appearances in several upcoming videos. I need to make a rolling cart for my lathe and the lathe tools and hopefully my grinder. I want all of that in one thing. My welders, they need a cart. This may actually get mounted to that so that all of that is in one place. I'm working on a folding table for my basement that I'm going to make the folding legs for, so it'll be used there. It's going to be used in a lot of things. Obviously, you don't need to add a switch like I did. SWAG Offroad does sell a like a floor pedal mount that you can use to just turn it on and off. Where I'm not positive where I want this yet, I didn't want that just sitting around on the floor. There's a good chance this is going to be outside a lot. So I just wanted something that was in close. And because I put that outlet on the back, it's easy to unplug the saw if I'm dismounting it. So I just like this setup. If it's plugged in, I know because it'll light up. I like that. And it's a fairly easy thing to wire up. Hopefully this was useful. I'm giving 2 thumbs up to both the saw and the SWAG Offroad stand. Very pleased with both at this point. So thanks for watching. And if you want to see more of the things that I do in my shop, please subscribe. And apparently that bell icon does something too. So there's that. We'll see you next time.